Most people think making money online is complicated, but in 2026 artificial intelligence changed the rules completely. Today I'll show you 5 AI tools that normal people are using right now to generate income without experience, without showing their face, and without building a big team. Let's start with the first one. AI video creation tools are helping people build faceless YouTube channels, short-form content, and educational videos using AI-generated visuals and voices, and these channels make money through ads, affiliate links, and digital products. You don't need to be a professional editor because AI handles most of the work for you. The second opportunity comes from AI voice and narration tools, which allow people to create audiobooks, short videos, explainers, and social media content without ever recording their own voice. Some creators even sell AI voiceovers as a service to businesses and content creators, and this market is growing very fast. The third powerful tool is AI website builders, which allow anyone to create professional websites, landing pages, and simple online stores in minutes without writing code. People charge clients for setup, maintenance, and monthly updates, making this one of the easiest AI services to start. The fourth opportunity comes from AI image and design tools, which are used for thumbnails, ads, product images, and social media posts. Creators sell designs, create ad visuals, or help brands stand out visually, and this skill can be extremely profitable if you understand attention. The fifth and final tool is AI automation, where businesses pay monthly for systems that automate emails, social media, customer support, and workflows. Here's the truth: you don't need to master everything or become an expert. You only need to pick one tool, learn it well, and apply it consistently. That's how people are building real income with AI in 2026. If you want more content about AI, technology, and smart ways to make money online, subscribe to Tech Savvy Finance and stay ahead of the curve.